I'm here with Tim Norton. He's the CEO of a company called Plan HQ. Now, it's one thing to finally get past that block where you actually build your business plan, but now you need to execute it, and that's where this guy is going to help. Tim, what is Plan HQ?
Yeah, so we're very much business plan execution software. So for people that have got a static, wordy document and really want to make it happen, they can come to Plan HQ, turn it into real goals, financial forecast, and put it in front of the team every day so they can make it happen. And then you can track your progress as you're achieving.
So you're kind of like the personal trainer, but for businesses, right? Like I know personally I need someone, on me to say,
Absolutely.
Time to go out and run again, but you guys do this for business. How do you do all that?
Yeah, so I mean, we're obviously not on your back personally, but we've tried to make the software sit on your shoulders. So once you put a goal into Plan HQ, it's going to hold you accountable. It's going to start asking all the team members to do what they need to do, and if you change your plans, it'll tell you you've changed your plans, and it will give you big red lights to make sure you're quite aware that you're shifting too often. So this will tell you the goals you've got upcoming and any actions you've got to work on. And you can make progress immediately. Start logging your activity or complete things. And this will notify who's responsible for the goal so that the whole team's informed. By the end of the week, you want to be looking at what I've worked on this week, and hopefully that's all you've got. Everything that's been due is now completed. So you get that feeling of progress, not just being busy, achieving your plan. Helps you work with the rest of your team members and de-stress them. So I know what everyone else in the team is doing for the goals that I'm responsible for. You can very quickly go in, look at one of these goals, and this is a really important part of running a business, reprioritizing. So if there's too much work on, I can quickly put something on the back burner, send a message to the team, and drop their workload. De-stress the team, help them focus on what they need to do. Now, if you're just working on your goals, it's really important to be aware of how you're going financially. So Plan HQ gives you very simple finances, just sales and profitability. Simple green and red lights the whole time, arrows up and down. So you can really quickly at a glance say we were doing pretty well, we seem to have blown out later on. You can drill down any level of detail, jump into a marketing and sales budget, and start looking and working on your forecast. And if things are changing, start changing immediately. And just keep editing it. And this whole plan is very much alive.
Now, give me some ideas to where the entry point is for users. Do I have to have a business plan in place first?
No, and that's a great thing. So with Plan HQ, you quietly and incrementally build it up. Just have your first goal or two, start loading them in, assign some actions to your team members, and just start making incremental progress. As you start going through that process, you start thinking about who your competitors are, you start loading them in. You might get an idea of your sales, you start putting them in. As your goals start to come through, you slowly but surely map them out.
Now, give me some idea in terms of your business model. How do you make money off of Plan HQ?
So we don't have a free plan for Plan HQ, possibly may do that in the future, but $9, $24, and $49 a month per company. So we're making it really, really accessible. It's one of those things you can spend a bit of money on. It's an investment to keep your team focused. So the business model really is just to get as many customers as possible, spending a little bit of money every month, and sort of using Plan HQ.
Tell me, when you're putting together a product like this, what are some of the challenges you go through? How big is your team, and what kind of tips would you offer to other people that were seeking a similar path?
Absolutely. Use Plan HQ. That's the best thing to do to get yourself on focus.
Excellent answer.
But no, that's a really good question. So our team is about 7 people right now. We started with really sort of 3 and slowly grown it out. I'm a really big fan of making sure you've got a great full-time core team. People who are really passionate, who buy into the vision and very quickly have their own direction going forward. I'm not the sort of CEO with a bunch of people that work for me. We're a flat team, and that's my really big piece of advice. Get people who can lead in areas that you can't, so that together you've got a really strong leadership structure.
What are you hoping to get out of Demo? Is it just word of mouth, or are you looking for investors or collaborators?
Sure. Yeah, I mean, we've got investment at the moment, so we're okay from a cash perspective, which is a nice position to be in. I've had a service company for the last few years, so we've got a bit of cash flow positive work happening behind the scenes. I've made a few companies, so I really want to hold that position. In terms of Demo, we really want to get a few VCs on board as customers. We've got our first one there a couple of months ago. It's a great tool for tracking your portfolio and working closely with your management team. And then on the profile front, absolutely. Make sure people know they can come and bring their business plan to life with Plan HQ.
Since you've gone through this process, what recommendations would you have for other startup companies that were seeking a relationship with a VC? What should they be wary of, and what should they be looking for?
Yeah, absolutely. So if you're trying to get your idea and turn it into a business, it's really important to be calculated. Most entrepreneurs, very passionate, full of ideas, turn them into goals, turn them into real forecasts, give really calculated things, and toggle between that. Investors are looking for a passionate person to lead the company, but they also want to know, will they settle down also and just keep on track? So I do that very clearly now, and Plan HQ will help you do that naturally as well. That's what we've embedded into the product.
And that's what I find interesting about the product, is it sort of almost highlights the proper workflow of using the product and creating relationships with all your different partners. So well done. Thank you so much for the talk today.
Thank you a lot. Appreciate it.